Good evening, everyone. I am Shalome Al Roble, the second reporter of this group. And now, I am going to discuss the criteria for the selection of multimedia and the planning of learning activities in the classroom. Using educational multimedia effectively and meaningfully in the classroom requires a careful selection of materials. Multimedia products and online services should be selected according to the overall objectives of learning activities, learners' prior knowledge, experience, and curriculum. Each learning activity has specific objectives and desired learning outcomes. As educator, it is crucial to consider the relevance and alignment of multimedia products to ensure that multimedia products align with the intended outcomes. Selecting multimedia products accordingly helps students achieve the desired learning outcomes. When selecting multimedia products, it is crucial to consider the appropriateness of the target group, pedagogical content, and flexibility and navigation. Each of the following has several factors to consider in the selection of multimedia products. First, we have appropriateness of the target group. When selecting multimedia products, it is important to have a clear understanding of the characteristics and the needs of students. The presentations of the content must be learned appropriate to graphics, sound, and identification. And selecting multimedia products, it must be suitable for the specific needs and preferences of the learners. And also, the visual use in the multimedia product should be clear, relevant, and visually appealing. It should not be overly complex or distracting the hinder comprehension. And lastly, the multimedia product should provide clear identifications of key elements such as labels, captions, or annotations. These identifications helps learners understand and relate to the presented content. Second, pedagogical content. When selecting multimedia, it should clearly align with the defined learning objectives. These objectives specify what learners are expected to know, understand, or be able to do after engaging with this content. Second, the multimedia product should present the knowledge content in a clear, structured, and organized manner. It is crucial to ensure that multimedia product contains accurate and reliable information. Third, check the credibility of the sources referenced with the multimedia content. And lastly, we have flexibility and navigation. When selecting multimedia products, we should consider the flexibility and navigation to ensure that the selected resources can be easily adapted to different learning contexts, customized to meet learners' needs, and offer initiative navigations that enhance the overall learning experience. These factors contribute to a more engaging and effective use of multimedia in teaching and learning.